Hi, I'm Dion from leavingcertmathsvideos.com. Now this question here is fairly straightforward. You just have to know your laws of inequalities. That is, when we have an absolute value of something here that's less than or equal to 3, that gives us two options. It gives us one option for when x is positive and another option for when x is negative. So here, when x is positive, that implies 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 3. That implies 2x is less than or equal to 4, implies x is less than or equal to 2. And then when x is negative, that implies that 2x minus 1, we have to change the sign around, remember that now, it's greater than or equal to, and we also have to change the sign of this number on the right hand side, it's greater than or equal to negative 3. So that implies 2x is greater than or equal to negative 2. That implies, divided both sides by 2, x is greater than or equal to negative 1. So you know x is greater than or equal to negative 1 and x is less than or equal to negative 2. So x satisfies them rules, or them constraints. Also on the next question here, we're asked if alpha and 1 over alpha are roots of this equation, we're asked to find the value of k. So what we could do here, well first of all what we'll do is we'll just write down the general equation here. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we should all know that when we add the roots, like alpha plus 1 over alpha is equal to beta over alpha, and then we multiply the roots, so alpha times 1 over alpha, that's equal to c over a. So just write that down. Alpha times 1 over alpha is equal to c over a. I'm not going to use the alpha plus 1 over alpha here, because this gives us an equation in terms of t and k. So I'll just use this term here. So alpha times 1 over alpha, that is equal to 1, is equal to c over a. C is equal to 2k plus 3. A is equal to this term here, A is equal to 3k. So if we want to multiply both terms here by 2, both sides of the equation here by 3k, that means 3k is equal to 2k plus